Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lynn, and today I'm at the Purple Door. We spent the night last night here, had a fire, just enjoyed music and just each other. And today my husband has been making martin houses, and I wanted to share that with you because it's such a fun activity for the whole family, especially if you have young children. These are just super simple to make. We make them out of gourds, and we had a farmer nearby that had some gourds, and so we asked him if we could have them, and he said sure. And so we just drilled with a 2 1/8 inch drill bit, just a circle right out of the center, emptied the contents out. These are just perfect for purple martins, and they'll be flying all over your property if you have them. So the first thing he did was to get the mold off of the outside, because a lot of times they'll just accumulate mold, especially here in the south where it's really humid. So got Cloroxed them off, then got some copper sulfate, put that on there. It's going to preserve it, and then went ahead, did the 2 1/8 inch drill through here, emptied the contents out, put some holes in the bottom so that it'll drain if water gets inside it, and then did 2 right up here, put just some wire up at the top. And we got this from a chicken wire from from a tomato cage. Took that off of the top and just twisted it around, and now we're gonna hang them. And a couple of tips if you do want purple martins and you want to see them flying around: they like to have groups of 6. They feel safer with having groups of 6 for some interesting reason, and they like white. Traditionally, these are painted in enamel paint in white, and we got the spray painted these with enamel, and there you have it. So it didn't take very long at all. It's a perfect thing to do for nature and for your children, and just to maybe even teach conservation to your kids. It's just an awesome activity. So I hope that you enjoy your purple martins. I hope you'll take the opportunity to do this. It's super fun, and it's something that'll last for quite a while. So they do like to be really high up. Like something like this would not work for a purple martin, but I'll show you where we're going to be putting them so that you kind of have an idea. I don't know if you can see that far or not. There's one gourd already up there on that big pole right in front of that tree, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but they like to be really high up off of the ground. So I hope you enjoyed this today, and I hope you'll share it or save it and do this with your children or grandchildren. I'll talk to you soon.